Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm at Bullwinkle's in Upland. I grew up in this area, so it's dope that it's back under original ownership. They have been renovating it, and I'm so excited to finally check it out. So I decided to bring y'all along with me. Let's go. Okay, so as of right now, this looks really creepy and eerie, but the bumper boats are still under renovation. On their website, it says it'll be open in the springtime. But yeah, I will update you guys as soon as it hits spring or as soon as I hear something on their website that says it's open back up. But yeah, look how weird, creepy, and old this is. Okay, as of right now, here are the prices. Pick 3, $35.99. Pick 5, $45.99. And pick 7, $55.99. And you can see the attractions right there and the arcade fund. Here is the pizza menu. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like they have any vegan pizza. Really excited to see what that dark ride is. Okay, so you get one of these little fun cards. Well, it's nice to know that you don't have to choose your attractions right then and there. You pretty much just, go in and, yeah. You just pick the 3, like, when you want to pick them, I guess. I don't know. But, yeah, we'll keep updating you guys on how this goes. So, we're about to go into the laser tag.
This is the laser tag. It's on my laser tag.
Where you are trying to take your opponents.
Got a few views.
Back, left and right shoulders.
I'll see if I can film on it.
Additional sensor areas. The front.
Okay, we're getting scanned.
Here we go. Let's go.
As you can see, we won. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that took a lot out of me. I have my Call of Duty shit on. Okay, now we're doing the dark ride. As you can see, it's like these type of seats right here. We have little blasters.
Step right up, don't be shy. We've got prizes, we've got surprises. Take your best shot, I'll steer you the top. playing. It's been a blast. Now make yourselves at home, because you're going nowhere fast.
I lost. I'm a horrible loser.
No,
You
no,
both
you're
lost.
first.
Oh, I came in first.
Let's go. Locked in.
Oh. Hey, let's go. I was locked in while recording. So the dark ride's over there. Taking a look at the arcade. All new machines, which is lovely. And the bowling alley is over here. Looks like an actual, it is. It's a full actual bowling alley. So that's pretty sick. This looks to be down, but it looks like one of those like little like 3D ride things in an arcade, which is pretty sick. Or VR, sorry, not 3D. Tripping. Yeah, this is dope. Here's the axe throwing, and it's also Lasertron, just like the laser tag.
Did you ask your YouTubers?
What's your question?
Hi everyone. So I originally grew up in Buffalo, New York. That's where Lasertron originated. If someone on his channel can answer this for me, I've asked 5 employees, nobody knows. I tried to Google it, nobody knows. On Google, nothing. But Lasertron originated in Western New York. So I grew up going to like their laser tag, and they have all these other games and stuff. We're seeing everywhere Lasertron is labeled. So I'm trying to figure out, do they have a partnership with Bullwinkles, or do they own Bullwinkles? What's the situation? Or do you know? No. Don't know why they're looking. But if somebody knows, please, because I want to know, is Lasertron officially going to be in California? That said, I don't need to travel back to Buffalo.
All right, answer that question, folks.
Okay, everyone, update. So Lasertron, this is the one I grew up going to. Again, it originated in West New York, so Buffalo. So I said, fuck it, and I DM'd them. It's on you, Lasertron. Answer me.
So it looks like this is a lounge for the bowling alley. They might eventually start selling alcohol, I'm not sure, for people that drink. Looks like you get your shoes and stuff from over there. There's the arcade over there where the bowling alley is, and over here they actually have bumper cars. So, I mean, it's not a big area, but it is bumper cars. Okay, so next up we are heading to the go-kart tracks. I'm super excited. The track is brand new. It's gonna be completely different from how it was back in the day. All right. So these are gas go-karts. This is the track. I'm gonna try my hardest to film for y'all. No guarantees. Okay, so we're actually gonna skip on the go-karts.
Okay, so here's what happened. We were watching the group before us, and they were all hitting each other aggressively, and I'm like, I don't want to deal with that. My back hurts. I think your back hurts. We both have back pain. I was like, we'll come on a day that's more quiet and do
Yeah,
go-karts.
it's much more chill. So,
Yeah.
but it is New Year's Day, so a lot of people have off. So we're gonna come on a day where it's less packed. I will show you guys the track though. So it is dope. You go through there, you come up here, you go over the bridge, back down and over. Yeah. Here is the outdoor course. It looks like it might be closed. I think it is, or it might not be. I'm not quite sure. Oh, no. There's people over there. So this is the outdoor course. I believe this is still original from the original park, if I'm not mistaken. And the courses inside should be brand new. So here is the western course. I don't want to interfere with other people's games. I love indoor water, so that's pretty sick. And we'll go over here and check out the other course on the other side. And this is like the little fantasy course over here, which is the original old school Bullwinkle's arcade. It's cool that they actually did something with the old building and they made it into golf courses. Again, indoor water, I love it. And I love water indoors. I don't know what it is. I think it goes back to my love of like log rides and water rides at theme parks. And that indoor like water smell. And I think Giselle hit the nail on the head when she said this gives Buffalo Bills vibes at Prim Nevada. It's just pretty sick. Can't get over this. We chose the right one. If you're gonna come to one of the ones over here, do this Western one. It's fun. This made me dizzy as fuck. So next hole, we're going all the way up there, which is pretty cool. You actually go into the little building.
Do you want to call it 5?
No, I got this.
Okay, because you're on number 6 now. 7. Eight.
Don't worry, they gave my 4-year-old son trouble too.
10. Yay! How many did you get, honey?
This is so cool. It's like a snow themed area. Alright, so we finished everything up here. Now we are headed back downstairs to hole 17. I did not know they squeezed 18 holes into this area. It's impressive. I'm super immersed right now. Shout out to Winchester. So I lost, as you can see, but it's because of that stupid fucking hole where I got 10. It took 10.
I also got a hole in one. I would like to.
Yeah, you know. So,
Not everybody can be a winner, Boogie. But you're a winner at heart.
you know, I won in the game of life.
Yes.
So there's some little areas fenced off over here with electrical running through. I wonder if they're actually going to install some sort of like miniature rides right here, or I don't know. But they have these fenced off, so I'm excited to see what they keep doing to this place. Okay, so we had fun. We ended up actually going on the bumper cars.
Yo, if we could have filmed that, we were like just doing donuts. We were just drifting. The worker was just standing there. He was just like. We weren't bumping each other. Like Boogie bumped the other ones to get out of the way.
the other
It's just
things
the
out
two
the
of
way,
us.
yeah.
And so I was like, check this out. That went way too fast. I was like, just going in circles, and then he was in circles around me. It was so fun.
We just turned it into a drift track and we had a lot of fun.
It was
But
Fast
yeah,
and Furious.
thank you for joining us on this journey to Bullwinkle's. I'm so glad it's back under original ownership.
It's his childhood place, so it meant a lot
Yeah.
for me to come here. and to see Lasertron.
Yeah, that was
I still
really
need to
sick.
figure out that. Sorry.
Definitely come down, spend your money, support this place. It looks like they're not completely done working on the place. It looks like they're still adding some stuff. So I'm super excited to see what they do, what they add to this place. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
Make sure you subscribe to him.
Yeah, please subscribe. That would mean a lot. It'll help my channel out tremendously. And yeah, I had a lot of fun today. How about you?
I had a great time. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody. See ya.